Hi friends, welcome to Git Training. Today we are going to learn about implicit objects of JSP. So which are also called as built-in objects. So JSP has 9 inbuilt objects which are created by the web container that are available to all the JSP pages. So here out request, response, config, application, session, page context, page, exception. So these are the 9 implicit objects of JSP which are created by the web container by calling JSP init method. Whenever web container creates objects, then only the web container is going to be process the client request. So this is the major advantage of these built-in objects. So let us see how each and every individual objects are used for processing the client request. So further, take an example. So further, you need to create a folder in Apache Tomcat server. So which is installed in my system at program files folder, Apache Software Foundation, in which Tomcat 8.5. So in that we have a web apps folder will be there. What are the projects you are done with the help of JSP? All the projects you are going to be placed in web apps folder. Now create a new folder inside the web apps and I named it as implicit objects. So this is my project folder name and which contains our JSP files. Now take any editor. So here I use a Sublime tool. Take a new file and save in your destination folder, that is C drive, program files, Apache, Tomcat, web apps, implicit objects. Here I give the file name as out object .jsp is my extension for JSP files. So we already learned a JSP file consists of both HTML and JSP tags. Here we are going to be display a hello world message on the output screen. So further we need to be use one of the scripting element of JSP. So here I use scriptlet tag. Why? Because which can hold any type of JSP statements. So with the help of out object, by calling a predefined method, that is print, I am going to be display message called hello world. I'll save your file. Now if you want to be run this one, first of all you need to be start Apache Tomcat server. So to start Apache Tomcat server, go through your location where you install the Apache Tomcat server. So in the Tomcat folder you have a bin folder is a, open it. Here you have Tomcat 8 application file will be there, double click on it. Now the server is running. So if you want to be know whether the server is started or not, just open your browser and type localhost colon 8080, so which is the default port number of Apache Tomcat server. So here you get a Tomcat home page. Now if you want to be run your project, use a slash and your project folder name, that is implicit objects, then slash followed by your file name that you want to be executed. So my file name is outobject.jsp. So here is the output of the JSP file. So in our program we use outObject to print hello world message on the output screen. So even though if you want to be print any message on the output screen, means you need to be create built-in objects with the help of web container. Then only the web container is going to be process the client request. So this is about out object.